Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. We were expecting some pretty severe weather coming throughout the day. It is, after all, the beginning of spring. So, I decided to head out for a morning walk with my Canon Rebel T7 and my 70-300mm lens. I wanted to do a challenge, so I gave myself 2 hours just to see how many wildlife photos I could capture. So grab a drink, sit back, and join me on this morning adventure. So it has been a very challenging morning with this lens, and I'm going to show you why. This stuff right here, the birds absolutely love hiding in this. All this brush. So it's making it very difficult for this lens to focus in on them because they can't find the contrast between the bird and the brush. So what I've opted to doing is to try and wait to see if they'll come out in the open and perch up on another branch to get a better shot. For right now, that's the challenge that I'm working with because they like to hide in there. It's good protection for them. Okay, so the last time I was in this area was about a month and a half or so ago, and it's such a stark difference because now it's starting to be springtime and I'm hearing birds that I can't identify. I've never even heard before. It's pretty amazing, a little overwhelming, and they're just everywhere. It sounds like everything is awake. Now me coming from the big city, for the last almost 11 years I was living there, you try so hard just to tune everything out, and when you come to an area like this, you know, instinctively just soak all the sound in, and it's so much coming from all different directions. It's kind of difficult to figure out where to look to see which animal is making what noise, what bird's doing this, what bird's doing that. What species is it? Is it a squirrel? I don't know. It's beautiful to listen to. You know, because the last time we were here, we were looking for the deer tracks. And yeah, it's such a difference. So we're just going to continue on our morning stroll. It's 11:28 right now, almost lunchtime. And then I'll take a break and probably head back out later this evening. So at this point, I'm going to wrap it up for now. My battery in the phone's going to die. Also, I really need to invest in a vlogging camera. So if you guys have any suggestions for something that's fairly affordable, budget friendly, drop it in the comments. For now, we'll catch you later. I had every intention to head back out and take some more photos. Unfortunately, Mother Nature decided to show up.